Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. This person wants something serious. I do feel like if you haven't heard from them, or even if you have, they're trying to take this playful approach. They're wanting to take this playful approach, like they're wanting to have fun, they're wanting to flirt, they want to do, you know, just kind of like recapture that fun energy that you guys, you know, shared together. Now, what's interesting is unrequited love. So this is telling me that this person has made a decision, and I feel like they made the wrong choice when it came to the two of you. So I don't know if they could have ghosted you, they left you out in the cold, eventually you just had to cut it off. But whatever happened between the two of you, this person isn't happy in their situation. And like I told you, I remember Healing Family Issues tried to come out, like Spirit wanted me to see it. I feel like there is some type of family situation going on. And this person's not happy because they feel like, okay, I'm stuck, or I have to get out of this situation. I made the wrong decision, whether it's something with their parents, if they have children, childhood trauma, like it's something going on. They're just not happy. And I feel like they're trying to come out of that energy because they want to come back to you because they can't stop thinking about you. They want to move things forward. Okay. All right, Spirit. Alright. Y'all ready? Alright, here we go. Leo! Okay, look. You cannot make this up. You can't. I'm telling you, this, okay. Somebody, at this point, somebody's about to get engaged, okay? I don't know who. One of y'all, a few of y'all. There's a commitment coming. I got engagement, now I got the Hierophant. I'm telling y'all, somebody might be getting a ring this month, or your person is thinking about proposing to you. Like, it's really heavy on their mind. Ooh. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm rolling with option one. Okay, so listen. This person right now, they're not putting in the work to come back towards you just yet, because remember I told you, there is some type of family situation that they're trying to get out of, or they're trying to heal from. But this is telling me that they are coming out of being frustrated about the situation, because this person is going through a transformation. What they were doing in the past, they know that if they want this with you, this engagement, to move forward with you, any type of commitment, they have to cut out the things that they were doing in the past in order to have a future with you. See, this person was definitely being sneaky in the past. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. Yep, there's a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio somebody could have been dealing with. But if not, this is telling me that you guys were just sad. You know, and they know that they hurt you. And the thing is, they're in their head because they feel like they lost you. They definitely feel like they lost you because they know that they messed up. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but this person had to go through this to learn their lessons. And see, now they're regretting because look, there's the Seven of Swords, but see, it came out reversed. This is telling me that this person is cleaning up their behavior. They're cleaning up their act before they come back towards you. Because see, they caused a lot of conflict. I feel like they caused a lot of arguments between the two of you. And they know that they kept stabbing you in the back. And I feel like this is why there's conflict within themselves. Whoever was the one that messed up. And they're hoping that you can forgive them. But because they know they kept stabbing you in the back, this is why they're not moving forward. They're scared. There's some fear here. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, they do want things to improve with you, Leo. But I'm telling you, there was some type of third-party interference here. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. But this person is trying to hold on to hope that they can fix things with you. But they just don't have a peace of mind right now. Clarify? Yeah. They're trying to, I feel like they're manifesting here. They're trying to stay positive about fixing things with you. Look at that. Ooh. The Magician with the High Priestess. Didn't I say somebody manifesting? Y'all were on their new moon. Y'all was on the top line of their new moon list, okay? They are manifesting y'all. They trying to stay positive. Y'all, I can't even, like, joke around and laugh like I want. I'm still getting over my sinuses. Like, it went away, then it came back. But y'all better hope y'all lucky, because I'm about to go in. But I'm going to leave y'all alone for now. So we're going to keep going. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I'm telling you, this person doesn't want you to cut them off. And there's communication that's going to come in really fast. Look, this person's been planning to talk to you. And they're going to tell you that they want a new opportunity with you. They definitely want to fix things with you. Look at that. Okay, Leos. See? This person's going to be confident when they come and talk to you. They now know who you are to them, what they want with you. But the thing is, they're back and forth. See, they want this happy home with you, Leos, but at the same time, they're scared that you don't want it anymore because they messed up. See, they want to give you an offer, but they're scared that you're not going to take it. So they messed up. They messed up bad, see? They broke your heart, and they know it. There was some type of third-party situation going on here, but the thing is, they want to come back and mend your broken heart. They want a new beginning with you, Leos. But see, they're undecided about what to do. There's fear here. They're scared. I'm telling y'all, they're scared. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify. Yeah, they're scared to speak their truth to you. They did make a decision, though. Tell me more. Leo, look at that. Look, do you see it? Oh my God, I'm about to call. I can't mess with y'all today. Okay, listen. This person's coming back to offer you a commitment, but they're scared that what you guys built, everything that y'all had, they feel like you don't want it anymore, and they're having a hard time with this. See, I'm telling y'all, there's an offer. Somebody, if they can get out of their heads, I promise you, somebody's getting a ring. Somebody's possibly getting a ring this month. If it's not this month, it's next month. And Leo season is here, the end of this month going into August. So see what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm telling you, they're scared somebody's getting rejected. You're gonna reject them. Look, there's an offer. But they're scared that things may not improve. See, there was a family situation going on with these 2 4s. There was some type of like home or family situation. Somebody's worried about some type of financial situation here. Hold on. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. This person is going to take the initiative to come towards you because they want stability with you. Excuse me. But I'm telling y'all, this person wants to be with you. They're coming back. There's somebody here, though. They don't want you to have him or her. Like, they do not want this to take place because this person could have been helping them out financially. And that's all that they wanted. And see, your person doesn't know what to do. They don't know how to fix the situation. Somebody could have been dealing with the earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I just feel like that's your energy, Leo. Where you guys just aren't worried about whoever this is anymore. Y'all are focusing on yourself. Focusing on your stability. Because you're like, I put enough time and energy into this person. Like, I need to do the same thing and put that same effort and energy into myself. And, excuse me, that's what you guys have been doing. But this person wants things to improve because they're coming back to balance things out. See what I'm saying? Look at that. Oh my, Leos. This person looks at you as wish fulfillment. They want a family with you. They see a future with you. I'm telling you, oh my gosh. Look at this person is planning. I can't even get it together. Leos, listen to me. Somebody out there, somebody is getting an offer. If it is not July, this is going to go into August because this person is thinking, they're just scared. Oh my God, this person is going to come back to tell you that they want a new opportunity with you. Look at that. They want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But, oh my God. Okay. Somebody is feeling like there's no stability with this person now. Clarify the sun. This person wants happiness with you. But they're moving slow. I'm telling you, they're moving slow. Why? Because they were in a codependent situation. I'm telling you. Somebody's trying to get out of something first. There's an offer. Leo, y'all not doing this to me today, okay? Oh my gosh. Okay. Somebody's coming out of feeling stuck or trapped in a situation because they're coming to speak their truth to you. Tell me more. But this person is taking a financial loss. And they're sad because they feel like when they do come back towards you, you're going to be really cold towards them, because I feel like this person was being cold towards you in the past. They left you out, you know, and now it's like they're regretting it. They're regretting it all. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But yeah, this person caused a lot of like conflict here, and yeah, this is why they feel like you're not going to take them back. See, yeah, they definitely left you out in the cold. But y'all have been healing. You guys have definitely been healing, but see, because the way they left you guys, Leo, they're frustrated that you're not going to take them back. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I'm telling you, this person's coming back giving you an offer. There is definitely an offer here. But they're unsure if you're going to walk away from them if they give you this offer or not. They don't want you to walk away, but they're scared that you are. See? They feel like they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. But this person wants to balance things out. They want to put 100% into this relationship. What's the decision? So right now they're making a decision not to move forward. Why? Because they're trying to clear away obstacles right now. Yeah, see, look at that, 2 sevens. So there's just a lot of conflict going on their end, and I feel like before they approach you, they have to get rid of whatever has been blocking or standing in the way. Whether that's people, an individual, financial situations, because yeah, I see this person's just waiting on something. Yeah, this is why they're not taking a leap. They have to basically get their money together. They're trying to get rid of whoever was in the way before they come back to you, Leo. Yeah, so they made a decision. 3 of Cups. This person wants to take you out. But the thing is, 1 minute, it's like they're moving slow to do it. The way this card just came out, they're moving slow to reach out to you, to offer to take you out, to speak their truth. But then in the same breath, they're kind of like, F it. Let me just go for it. But they're back and forth about it. They don't know what they want to do. Leos, you could be dealing with another Leo. This is telling me that the person is trying to have the strength. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but the way the Lovers just came out, it's back and forth energy. They know that you're the one for them. They know it. But they're having a hard time approaching you because they know that they cause an imbalance between the two of you. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. Clarify justice. Somebody's looking for the truth. And they feel like you don't want to build with them. These 2 cards are a little too close. Somebody was definitely, I feel like somebody could have been in a commitment. A long-term commitment. Somebody could have been in a marriage. Maybe they're trying to get out of that, which is why they're worried about finances. If not, that doesn't apply. This could just be telling me that this person definitely wants to commit to you. This person wants to marry you. The problem is they feel like you don't want the same things anymore. Yep, they feel like you're not being positive about them, Leos. Somebody's definitely could have been interfering between the two of you. Whether it's another man, woman, mother, whoever. Could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Clarify the Empress. This person definitely wants a new beginning with you. And they're coming towards you to speak their truth, Leo. Oh my gosh. They're watching you. They're keeping a close eye on you. A lot of spying going on this month. But yeah, some of you guys could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person is upset. They're very emotional because of everything that they have done, which is why they're keeping a close eye on you, because they're trying to figure out when's the best time to approach you. And see, the way the Knight of Wands came out, they want to rush back in. They want to talk to you, but at the same time, they're not. They talk themselves out of it because of everything that they were doing to you. They were being harsh towards you in the past. Leo, leave me some comments, please, because this is good. Y'all leave me some comments because it's up to this individual. If they come and speak their truth to you, will you take them back? Somebody's getting a ring. I don't care what y'all say. Somebody's taking somebody back. Somebody's getting a ring this month. If you don't get the ring this month, I promise you somebody's getting it next month. Y'all, leave me some comments if you get a ring, because I gotta know. All right, Leos, I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. See you soon. Bye. See you soon.